The first step is carefully opening the key fob. Most Honda key fobs have a small notch or seam along the side, often near the keyring attachment. Use a small flathead screwdriver or a plastic pry tool to gently separate the two halves of the fob. Avoid using excessive force, as this can crack or damage the plastic casing. Some newer models, like those in the 2024 Honda CR-V, may use a twist and pull mechanism instead of prying. Check your owner's manual or search online for model-specific instructions to avoid breakage. Once open, you'll see the circuit board and the battery. The Honda key fob typically uses a CR2032 3-volt coin cell battery. Note the orientation of the old battery before removing it. Usually the positive plus side faces up. Use a small tool or your fingernail to gently pry the old battery out of its holder. Handle it carefully to avoid damaging the fob. Insert the new CR2032 battery with the positive side facing the same direction as the old one. Double-check the orientation to prevent malfunctions. Once the new battery is in place, reassemble the key fob by carefully snapping the two halves back together. Ensure the case is fully closed and the clips are secure. Test the fob by pressing the buttons near your Honda to verify that it's working correctly. Ensure all buttons function properly. Dispose of the old battery responsibly at a recycling center. Lithium batteries are hazardous waste and should not be thrown in regular trash.